Dear brothers and sisters, in the gospel passage we heard today, there are two questions. A young man. Young people always ask questions. Father, why this? Why that? Why not like this way? Why not that way? Their mind is very inquisitive because they want answers. They don't want to follow the paths maybe others have taken, but they want to do something more, something new. So we have a young man asking Jesus a question. First question, how do I attain eternal life? And Jesus' answer is simple. Simple. Love God, love your neighbor. Nothing more than that. It's simple. All of the commandments which are given by the church come under this. Love God. And you realize that this man is good. He's been doing this all his life, from the time he was born till the first time. And Jesus admires this man because he has been living really commandment which were given to them by Yahweh. Love God and love him. But Jesus wants to take this man a higher level. And he thought that I can become, in a way, anything lacking in me, he says. I've been living this commandment right through. But Jesus wants to take this man higher level, to be more perfect. We say better than the best. You're not just the best, better than the best, always more and more. So really want to be what you want, what you think you want to be. Leave all that you have, he says, give it to the poor and follow me. And here was this man's downfall. Not because he had great wealth, not because of that. It's good to have wealth. But he was attached to them? No, not to that. But the wealth, in a way, had overtaken him. The wealth had overtaken him. That means he could not part with the wealth. His eyes were only on the wealth and wealth and wealth. He would not look beyond that. So the wealth, in a way, had overtaken him, and he had no control at all over himself. That was the problem with this young man. He was not willing to share what the others. Because wealth had overpowered him so much, he could not part with it. So maybe you could ask this question. We have a lot of wealth God has given to us. Not just material wealth, the family, there is other things God has given to us, our talents. Do these talents and the wealth overtake us? Are we in control of them? Are we willing to share what we have? Or do we say, no, this is mine. I cannot part with it?